We know that populations around the world are rapidly aging, with some of the fastest changes being seen in low and middle income countries.
And in fact, it is our over 80 population that has almost doubled since the previous survey 15 years earlier. We have gone from 42,000 to 79,000 older people in that 80 and over age group, and minister, a lot of them are in rural areas, and they are predominantly female. One of the things that came out of the 2012 study, which was a bit alarming, was the tremendous increase in hypertension in the over 60 population, the levels of hypertension doubling. Even more important, the levels of diabetes in our elderly population increasing by 158%.
Our quest to reduce NCDs will have to be achieved through a holistic and all-encompassing approach, starting with the pregnant woman and continuing with the infant, child, the teen, the adult, and the elderly.
I am Lillian Palmer. Last year, I was in the club and our coordinators asked who want to go and at the run and walk, and I didn't answer at the same time. But when I think it over, I know that I have a little strength, and I said I will go. And I walked from Gleaner up to Crossroads and back. And I felt, and I walk and I come down back. And when I come down back, everyone was cheering me. Everyone was cheering me because I was 80 years old, and now I am 81 years old.
With the increase in the population of the elderly, the demands on the health systems becomes bigger. So the importance of having good eating habits, physical activity, abstinence from smoking, and alcohol overuse. These are the major prevention methods that has been proven to be successful, and the need to continue on that.
We recognize, therefore, that we have to start to put the building blocks in place from very early to achieve the requisite behavior change that will lead to a reduction in lifestyle-related diseases in our population. Jamaica's commitment to this CARICOM-led initiative has been unwavering as we continue to strengthen health infrastructure and services to move closer to our goal of a healthy and stable population.
Last calendar year alone, the NHF spent over $3.6 billion, subsidizing 2.6 million prescriptions for the 15 conditions that we then covered. We accept that healthy lifestyle enhances healthy aging, which reduces the number of persons being affected by the severity of chronic illnesses. But the truth is, with an aging population, the demand for treatment for the elderly for NCDs will increase as the population grows.